Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Suti coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, November 27, 2018. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 25 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost to the Spurs with a score of 107 to 108. Clubs meeting our 5th grade band buddies will meet today at 12:15 in the Fuse Lab. 6th grade First Lego League will meet in room 209 from 3 to 4:30. TAP will meet today from 3 to 4 p.m. PBS ambassadors will meet tomorrow morning at 7:45 in the music room. Chess Club will not be meeting tomorrow. Today's announcements are: pencils will be for sale tomorrow in the hallway during lunch. Teachers, map testing website is down. Please check your emails. Today is special lunch day. Come down with your ticket to enjoy some yummy Subway. And now a message from, no one. Today is National Day of Giving. Give a little help or extra kindness to those around you. Have a thoughtful Tuesday.